Hey guys, welcome to Money Farming YouTube channel. In this video, um, we're gonna be learning about we're gonna be coding this strategy. This indicator into Python. Okay, so let me show you how it works first. So what it does now, it's like um, so just a moment. I'm getting a pen here. Excuse me, sorry. Oh yeah. All right, here we go. Hmm. So what I want you to pay attention to is this area oversold and over what conditions. Yeah, now this strategy, this system indicator is like picking the turning point so well that, like, man, it's like really good, so yeah, see. So we're gonna like code this, we're gonna code this strategy into Python code. Okay, so let's see. So we are basically picking like top and bottoms. Okay, which is like, yeah, this is really good. So I'm gonna show you the code. This one is the code, and its code is very like simple. Yeah, let's code this. Okay, so I'm gonna like, I think we can do this. Yep, we can definitely do this for sure. All right, so let's do this. Yeah, so we get the data for Bitcoin 1 hour, and what we need, so this one function is called getRs, takes value, and it's return result is 100 by 100 minus value -1. Yeah, so this is what it returns. So RSI is, we are working with series, right? So ta.rsi and df dot source and the length, RSI length. Okay, so source, let's take the source to be close, RSI length to be 14. Okay, now up would be pd.ta.rma. Okay, Wilder's moving average. Okay, now what it does is that it takes max of the change from the source or change, percentage change, and then it all takes the same RSI length, and on the downside it does this RMA negative of min oh yeah min of the df dot source percentage change RSI length. Okay, now RS is non-scaled, non-rescaled RSI is now up by down. Okay, now here's the P RSI. Okay, no x6 named 14 for objects. What? Sorry. Ah, so we got that. We have another function PRSI, where it's like so if down is equals to 0, then cap, otherwise none. No. Okay. So if down is equals to 0, then we use cap value. Otherwise, if up is equals to 0, we use minus cap. Otherwise, if rs equals to 1, then we use 0. Otherwise, rs is greater than 1, then we use mean of this, or finally max of that. So it's a multiple this. So if all right, let's get this value. Okay, so get all this function down. Okay, so if down equals to 0, then it's like cap, otherwise minus cap. Otherwise, if up equals to 0, then minus cap. Otherwise, rs equals to 1, 0.0. Otherwise, rs is greater than 1, then it's mean of rs cap, or so minus 1 rs minus cap. So I'm gonna use the help of ChatGPT, because ChatGPT is my friend. All right, so let's ask it question. Hey ChatGPT, I want to write this Python code in ternary operation in Python. How do I do that? I want to write this expression, this ternary operation in Python. Here is that. You can use it using numpy select function from the numpy library. Yeah, we can do that. This function is particularly useful for handling multiple conditions and outcomes which fits your case with several ternary like conditions. Ah, cool. It's really cool, man. Yeah, thank you ChatGPT. So if down is 0, this rs, what is rs? This. All right, so got this. And what is cap, man? What is cap? Cap is some kind of variable, I think. Hang on. See, cap is variable, ratio cap. So cap is 20, which is ratio cap. Okay, so we will get this result. We will call it PRSI. Cap, come on, man. RS is not defined. Sorry. All right, we got the PRSI. What? Nothing? I am getting this as a result. The operation is empty, which implies there could be a few potential issues with the data or operation itself. Here are some steps to diagnose and possibly fix this. Check data frames, up, down, yeah, up, what? Up is none? Are you kidding me? How come up is none? Hang on, man, instead of source, no. Let's just take close, okay? Close, closes, up, are we still no value? So let's diagnose. Close dot percentage change is this, right? Now zeroing that with np dot max, what it does, zero what, maximum. See, that's why machines are so stupid. Yeah, I mean, yeah, anyway. I think I should give this job to ChatGPT. Let's see how it does. I have some Python script code. Can you convert it in Python? The main logic. Let's see what we got here. All right, we're writing code. Let's see. Okay. All right. Wait, what? What is that? What the fuck is that? Wait, what? That is totally not right. That is totally not fucking right. Yeah. Anyway, that's why you trust a machine for a smaller part. I mean, like smaller is smaller. Like, you know, problems. That's how you solve it basically. Anyway, it might be I just don't understand like where it's going with it, you know. So we got that. We got the RS as well, right? Yep. Down. Ah, both are maximum. That's what I was like thinking. What? Down. And then RS is okay. All right. So this condition now. Let's see PSI. Yep, we got something. All right. So let's see it. Yeah. Now what we can do. So we got the this. And this is just color CS1 push bar state dot is first, then color stuff, horizontal line 0, line 1. Whoa. I just had to do PRSI, right? That's it. into complex. So what we can do here is let's plot it, man. All right. So we got MPL plot, like MPL finance, right? So MPF dot plot. Let's get the last 500 data. Style Yahoo, type candle, want too much data size. And then type layout true, data length. Yeah, well, I just want too much data. Wait, what? That's not 500. That's the whole. Ah, it's negative 500, man. Come on. Fixed size 3025 or 2510. I think, yeah, 2510. All right, I think we got it. Make it 300 so that it looks cool. And then I need add plots. Make add plot. We want PRSI. We want it to be line. We want it in like panel. First panel. Color is like, you know what, blue. Line width 3 or just width, I guess. Add plot, add plot. See, it's just width. Interesting. What do we have here? This is totally not the same. I think I'm doing some mistakes. Let's see what mistakes I'm doing. So, have we used GateRS somewhere? Yeah, that's where did we used GetRS? Nowhere. What? What? Why nowhere? Are you kidding me? Anyway, so we got the RSI length 40, source close. All right. Up is RMA of maximum of close. Oh yeah. Okay, so if I get the maximum, this right, and do the RMA. I'm getting this. What? Why I am not getting anything? Okay. So if I do not do values, then I will get the data set. So I was doing it right. Okay. I think that get RS maybe is scaling or something. Yeah. And then 100 this up. And then this we wanted to do. So what it's doing, if down is greater than, if down is equals to 0, up RS is 1, RS is greater than 1, then we have this nb dot minimum RSI dot cap. Okay, so if down is 0, then we give it 20 cap. If up is 0, then we give it minus cap. If it's 1, RS is 1, then we give it 0. If it is greater than 1, then we give it minimum of RS and cap. So RSI value stays the same. Otherwise, if it's less than 1, then we give it the negative value of 20, that cap. So these are the conditions, these are the choices that we have to return. So all the values are either 20 or just the RSI value between minus 20 to 20, I think. Right? Yeah. And then on those conditions, we form this. All right. That's interesting. Yeah, see, that's why our cap is 20 only. See, plus 20 and negative 20. That's it. Not even negative though. Yeah, why not negative? But still, the thing is, there's no cap, like, it's like minus 20. Hang on. So first is minimum, right? Yep. And second is maximum. Minus 1 over RS minus cap. Okay. Maximum will be this only. So it's like it never ever goes to there because RS. Ah, shit. Yeah, I made a mistake, man. It's RS. That's why it was shady. Now it's good. Yeah, anyway. Now it's good. um, see, this is the skill that like you need to be one to debug stuff, you know. It's really good. Now we draw the line. um so line 1 x1 bar. So see here we get rs of overbought cap. So this is the line we get. So line 1, here we are getting for overbought line. So how we get it? np dot minimum, and this will be oversold. Oh yeah, minimum of overbought, minimum of get rs overbought comma cap. So minimum, then it will be like this only. We wouldn't even go to the cap. We are limiting to that value. And oversold line would be np dot maximum minus 1 get rs oversold minus cap. So you all know overbought line is 70. Overbought is 70, oversold is 30. So here we say overbought, here we say oversold. Get rs is yeah, value. Yeah, it returns the value. Yep. So let's see what we got. Overbought line, this. See, oversold line is this. So let's plot that. Overbought line, panel 1, color this, and oversold line. Draw horizontal line in MPL Finance. It's the same code. Are you kidding me? I think there's some different techniques, right? Nope. It's the same. It's just that why I'm doing though is like sometimes see the scale, it's getting off the table because it should be around here. So that's why the scale doesn't match actually. You know, on the final plot, there is scale mismatch because of positive and negative values in the panel 1 plot. Plotting positive and negative alongside constant horizontal lines like the overbought. You may want to use separate panels for data that have significantly different scales. So how do we overcome that issue? Assign the RSI related plots to a separate panel. This shows that each dataset can use configure the panel and plotting. Okay. How do you suggest we do that? Oh, panel ratios. So PRSI panel 2 now. Yeah, is it what the heck? I want all of it in one panel. overbought and oversold condition for RSI and see it in one panel plot. Okay. Okay, yeah, secondary Y, I forgot about that secondary Y-axis, yeah. So let's see. Yeah, this will solve the problem, I think. See, secondary Y falls. Oh yeah, this will do it, I think. So check this out here. Secondary Y true. Let's see. Secondary. Now we're talking, I guess. No, wait, what? No, what? Ah, sorry. It's false, right? Yeah, now it's good. Yeah, now it's really good. Oh man, awesome. Yeah, it's really good. So we got this strategy, man. We got it. Now what do we do? Um, we just like now we develop a strategy. So how do we do that? So first simple strategy is to first like see for its visual testing. Let's just build simple minus. If it goes below -2, below 2, then we enter long. If it goes above above -2, then we short. Okay, so here's what we do. So PRSI is if it is greater than equals to minus, if it's less than equals to -2, then oversold condition has occurred. Look for long trade setup. Entering long trade. Entering short trade. And then here overbought condition has occurred. Look for short trade setup. Okay. Holy smokes, we got this much of trade setups on 1 hour. Are you kidding me? Wait, what? Let's see. So I'm gonna open another Visual Studio Code and get the plotting function. All right, here we go. Interesting. Yeah, it is right sometimes, but like, yeah, I don't see it's going above 2. So what? Why? I mean, it's not even about 2 years. Oh, this from this axis. Like, what? Which is which then? I don't understand. Here's something to understand. Y label. OB line, Y level, OS line. So if this is OS line, then this is OB line, oversold line. Okay. See, this is the problem. That's like, it's going on. Actually, that's why what I do now, I actually like do fill between, you know, actually like, yeah, you'll see what I mean, I think. What can we do? So I can get two values, like less than 2, greater than 2, and then this. And then I plot all three of them on the same plot with different colors. Yeah. So this is RSI greater than 2. If PRSI is greater than 2, so like this is how it works. Okay. So if PRSI is greater than equals to 2, then we PRSI greater than 2 goes to PRSI. Yeah. PRSI greater than 2. Now another one is like when it's less than equals to -2, then we get the less than 2, less than -2, and then other one is like just neutral, where it's neither this, so meaning this, this, or this, and it's neither of them. So this is neutral pairs. So PSI neutral, you see. All right, now so we got that. Now we plot it. Okay, so this is how it will work. So here PRSI greater than 2 would be red line, less than -2 would be green line, or just neutral would be gray. And let's see what we got. Check this up, yo. See what I'm talking about? See, we are not here. It's just only this. This is not there. The green line, yeah. If we remove the secondary Y, what it will give us? Yeah, anyway, it's like that's why I use fill between, man. Yeah. How about I threw it here, only one of it, or true of it, and false it here? Does that fix the problem? Yeah, it does, I think. So if we consider this as like a start of the line and just forget that, then this makes sense. But like not here though. Anyway, it's tricky. So that's why I like look at the condition what we did here. Okay, it's just like if we are checking if PSI is less than equals to 2 or just less than -2, then we take the close value. If it is greater than 2, then we take the close value on that. Okay, so let's do that. And also let's, in order to reduce that there, what we check is like close should be greater than previous close here, meaning rule candle. Here close should be less previous close, as it's short condition, so we reduced it to 2000, and here we go. So yeah, right. Now let's check it out on testing platform. So we got that, got the candle range, got the plot, and ready to plot. I think I don't even need that, to be honest. Okay, let's put it anyway. Yeah. Mm. Okay. Fill between. Yeah, we're gonna do some fill between here. And then you'll see that like can be done with fill between. So this is this is non-scaled RSI from TradingView, yeah, right? TradingView, non-scaled RSI, non-rescaled RSI. Let's see. So where is it? What? Oh, hang on. I have to make that function first. I have to make that directory first. Come on, man. Yep, restart the kernel, please. Cool. You know what? I'll take it. Yeah, it's really cool. Now, how long are we on the streaming? 45 minutes. We got another 15 minutes. So let's test still. Okay. Can we optimize it though? Like what can we do with it? I mean, we already built the strategy. I mean, not the strategy, just the signal though, like, you know. Um, I wonder that like with my system combined, we can build like really good, um, you know. So, for instance, I'm gonna show you what I mean. That's why I only plot around. Not the whole data frame, just like take the part of the data frame, you know. So we're gonna get the gate MRC. This is one indicator, which is really good too. All right, so hang on. Yep, it's here. So I just take this. Come here and just do this. Yeah. So yes, plot RC bands to true. It's gonna append that. Instead of this, right, let's get mainline upland. Do we have that? No. So mainline upland links. Hang on. Okay. Instead of that, let's just keep things simple. Okay. V mainline color is gray, and this one, let's check this out. Fill between. Okay. Right, so this is what we got here. So here we can see, you know, as it goes to the overbought oversold on the dynamic trend line, then like we can really see the pattern as well. So I have to show you, we have to look at the more data. See, we ignore this cell, we only take this cell. Now here you can argue that, but like it was, market was already down, and then it came up this, and here is the same. That's why like we need other measures of like, you know, analysis here. as well. It's just that like this is another indicator in tools or arsenal, which is like is smoothing the RSI. This is a um, signal analysis, right? So yeah, signal processing. So this is a real problem in like information theory and all this, like signal processing and all. Okay. We have one branch in sensor, electronic sensors and all this stuff. So like, yeah, we're gonna be learning about that later on. It's like signal processing, which is very important. Use like filters, what type of filters you use, what does it do from the smoothing perspective, and like what kind of in I mean, it's not like intuition, but like nowadays, like if you make it differential, no, then it's like something. It's like it's not all. What can I say? It's like it's not all discrete. That's what I mean to say. It's like it's continuous. Yeah. So that's what this dynamic support and resistance. You see this boundaries that indicates like out of the boundary it's like oversold condition in the downside. Out of the boundary around there it's oversold condition there, overbought condition here. You can see that's still really good. Okay, so yeah, so let's add this condition too. I think it would be really good to show you what I mean. So I come here, I do this. So if my low is less than V low band 1, yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 9 1 2, yeah, and here if my high is greater than V up band to 9, sorry, this is up band to 1, this is sorry, this is up band to 9, this is low band to 1. So see, we reduce it to 158. So this is actually like, this is, you see this start of this gray boundary, that's like that's low band to 1. So from 1 to 9 here it goes like on the sensitivity to the oversold condition. So that's basically like differential, on 9 different levels. um yeah, and another one is like here overbought. It's the same story with the up band. So it's just the like perfect image of each other basically, you know so you can see it like from this, if they're perfect, so if something is moving this, so that replica is creating over there, you know so that's how, even if you move, you see it's like 180-degree flip. We can see 180-degree only as well. So as the market is moving, that's the path basically it's taking. That's what I'm trying to say. Anyway, um so see, we greatly reduced it, right? Now let's plot it. Good. Not bad. All right, guys, so you can see that, you know if we apply it to higher time frame, it will work even better, right? So yeah, so check this out. You can watch the video for Python code. um oh, sorry, I think hang on. Yeah, I didn't added this code. Here we go. What I'm gonna do though here is so I asked the user to make a directory for the course. So here is like video name or like project name, you know, strategy name. So it's like here is like TradingView non-rescaled RSI, right? I make the directory of that name, all right, and then I create strategy name and then time frame here is 1 hour. All right, now I'm gonna delete it, this one from here, and then run this code. You're gonna see one folder is being made here, you see that, and 1 hour as well there. See, now we have to change something here. Now here we say f strategy name and then we circle it, semi-circle it, and that's all we have to do. Yeah, so let's see. Okay, all right, one more. So try this, accept that. All right. Hang on again, like strategy name and time frame, man, come on. So let's delete this and redo it again. Yeah, now we're gonna see the data now. So here we go on the 1 hour, we are getting that, and then we're gonna run it on higher time frame as well, like 4 hour or something. Why is it not doing fill between? Because I didn't do it, that's why. Anyway, we can do it right now. Now we're gonna see it. Yep, 1 hour. This is the chart on 1 hour. See, it's not bad, you know. Yeah, it's good enough. This actually shows how the market dynamics work in like as a signal processing problem. I mean, not to its like perfect correctness, but like to some extent, you know. Yeah, so we got the 1 hour. Now let's do the 4 hour. Okay. All right, in 4 hour we might not get that. So anyway, so we did make 4 hour directory there. Now let's do it. Mm, not bad. See, this thing you can predict it with Wycombe methodology, really good, you know. So we got the 15 plots from 4 hours too. All right, guys. So I think I'm gonna stop the video right here. So you can see this here, as well as you can study it, what that indicator do, and like what's the uses and stuff. See overbought, you know, and oversold condition, all this stuff. So see this. So relative strength of 2.33 means average gain is 2.33, which is bigger than average loss. Okay, so see it as like game. Okay, it's like we are factoring the average gain and average loss, right? So which is equivalent to 70, which is overbought condition. Relative strength of minus 2.33 means the average loss, okay, which is the seller side, you know, which is like how many sellers their average score, you know, it's like average loss 2.33 is bigger than average gain. Okay, because they are losing money for the past period, which is equivalent to RSI 30. Okay, and yeah, in yeah, in RSI it's 30. Okay, equivalent to that. What about also relative strength of 0 means average gain is equal to average loss. Okay, for the past period equivalent to RSI 50, right? So that's like equal middle point. See all these points. So that's what we have like done, and you can use it exactly how you would use RSI: overbought, oversold state, divergence, trend identification, failure swings, etc. You know, see trend identification and failure swings. What I'm interested in know is like is divergence. So for divergence, no, it's like yeah, it's really great tool. So for instance, if I show you divergence here, let me show you divergence here. Yeah, so see here the divergence. This was making lower high from this perspective, right? While the prices here are making higher high. So that's your like divergence, you know, at its purest form. And you can see it clearly. And most of the time in divergence trading, no, it's like you have to see that divergence first. So we can see that divergence clearly here. And what kind of divergence it is? It is bearish divergence. Bearish divergence. Why? Because price was going higher while the indicator was telling the truth, and So indicator was going down, was telling us that it is going down while the price was fooling us. So in this case, indicator was right. Okay, but it doesn't happen all the way. Sometimes price is right as well. We have to find that balance between that, and that's how we make money basically. Okay, so keep that in mind. All right. So yeah, I think this is we're gonna end it here, and I hope you guys like the video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe, hit that bell notification, like the video, share to your friends, and happy trading. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.